Welcome to another new video tutorial. Welcome you all to another new exciting video tutorial. Today I will show you how you can easily make beautiful color adjustments to an image with just a few clicks. As we see in the picture, a red-yellow affected photo has a beautiful color tone. So begin, we will open this photo, then move to the Adjustments tab in the PhotoKaya software. As this picture is very dark and the saturation is very high, first, we will take this clear tool once. You can fine-tune this using the layer's opacity. I will merge again. Next I use auto adjustment. Click this tool once, lowering the opacity again, and merge it again, removing the shadows once more. Then you can see that the saturation has decreased a lot. Now I increase the natural tone of the picture a little, and merge it again. I am using this shine tool to enhance image shine. Of course, I will show you how to use this software, PhotoKaya. Here, the download link of the software is given below, in the description. We take a look at the before and after adjustment of the image, side by side. With PhotoKaya software you can not only edit photos but also design albums very easily. Video tutorial link on quick album design is given in the description box. If you like the video, don't forget to give a like. Everyone will be fine. Thank you.